In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to hide sensitive information inside a PDF, Adobe Acrobat makes the process simple and reliable. Redaction is especially useful when you want to permanently remove private text before sharing a document with someone else. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already loaded. Before you make any changes, take a moment to confirm that you have the correct file open. This is important because redaction is meant to remove information from the document, so it's always a good idea to double check the file before moving forward. Once your PDF is open, look for the All Tools tab in Adobe Acrobat. Click on it to open the list of available tools. From there, select the option to redact a PDF. This opens the redaction feature, which is specifically designed to help you mark content that should be hidden from the final version of the document. If you're new to Acrobat, don't worry if the layout feels a little unfamiliar at first. Just focus on finding the Tools panel and then choosing the redaction option. After the redaction tool is active, move to the text you want to remove. Click on the text and highlight it. This marks the content for redaction. Be careful during this step and make sure you select exactly what needs to be hidden. It helps to zoom in a little if the text is small or tightly spaced, especially in documents with a lot of information close together. Taking your time here can help prevent mistakes and ensure the right content is selected. As you highlight the text, Acrobat will show you what has been marked for redaction. This gives you a chance to visually review your selection before going any further. If something doesn't look right, pause and recheck the highlighted area so you don't accidentally target the wrong section. And that's the basic process for marking text for redaction in Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF, go to All Tools, select the Redact PDF option, and then click and highlight the text you want to redact. Keep your selections precise, review everything carefully, and you'll be in a much better position to prepare a clean, professional document for sharing.